Hello everyone, Wayne Heaney, your local licensed insurance counselor here. This is episode 3 in our claims series. So in episode 1, I talked about prevention. In episode 2, I talked about preparing for the financial worst in the face of a claim. And then for this one, I want to share with you 4 key steps for when the day comes and you need to file a claim. The first one is documentation. Please document, document, document. So this is especially true when you're dealing with a home claim, can also be true when you're dealing with auto, but particularly on the home side, you go into your basement, it's full of water, or there's been a storm, and you go outside and you see a big hole in your roof, or whatever the situation is. Take too many pictures. Just take pictures of everything you possibly can. Claims adjusters, who I'll talk about in episode 4, they have a crucially important job, but their hands are really very tied if work gets done before they can see what the problem looked like before work got done. So taking photos or video ahead of time before you start doing anything, or have a contractor come out and help clean up, can be super helpful to the process. Second, you can and should do what you can to reduce the amount of damage in the immediate wake after something happens. Obviously, you don't want to put yourself in any situation where you're going to get hurt or be in danger, but to the extent that you can start cleaning up, or you can hire people to start cleaning up, and you definitely can, have holes in roofs tarped, or get water shut off. I mean, do the things, whatever you can do to keep things from getting any worse. Again, while being safe and not putting yourself into any dangerous situation, of course. Third, I encourage you to call your agent or your agency team, because they often will have some insights into how to proceed. And in the case of our agency, for example, we have a very extensive list of contractors that we know and trust to not take advantage of our clients. And we're happy to make those introductions for people if you don't have somebody that you want to work with. You get to pick who fixes your home or who fixes your car. The insurance company's job is to help pay the bills for it. Not Insurance companies don't fix cars. Insurance companies don't repair homes. What they do is help the funding of that. The actual process of getting things fixed is really, at the end of the day, between you and the person that you hire to do the repairs, again, with the insurance company as a partner to help with the financial side of that. So I always encourage people to reach out to me and to my team, and if in the case of you viewing this, whoever your agent, your agency team is, and see if they don't have some guidance for you in terms of who can help with repairing this and getting you whole. And then the fourth step, then you file the claim. So after doing steps 1, 2, 3, then go ahead and file the claim. Many companies have an online way to do that, or a phone call that you can make. Often people will understandably panic and get anxious, and the first thing they do is pick up the phone or go online and file a claim without doing those other 3 steps first. So claims are always scary times. They're always anxious times. It's very tempting to want to act quickly, and it is important to act quickly, but it's worth taking the time to take some pictures, do what you can to mitigate anything worse happening, and give your agent or agency's office a call to ask them for some guidance before you jump into the actual claims process itself. Thank you so much for listening. As always, if you have any questions or want to bend my ear, I am Wayne Heaney, your local licensed insurance counselor. Feel free to drop me a message or give us a call.